Hello students, welcome to my channel of these classes. Now we are going to discuss about Indian number system versus international number system. Let's start. Here is a chart. In this chart, the Indian number system categorized into 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 periods. Okay. But in the international number system, there are 1, 2, 3. Total number of periods are 3. Indian number system, first period, second period, third period and fourth period. In international, 1 period, 2 and 3. Okay. But the total number of digits are used in both the number system is equal, that is 1 to 9. It means the ones place of both number system is equal. The tens place of both is also equal. 100 place of both is also equal. 1000 equals to 1000 place. 10,000 equals to 10,000 place. But the difference in this place means the lakhs is equals to 100,000. Okay. And the 10 lakhs equals to million. Crore equals to 10 million. And the 10 crore is equals to 100 million. Means the value of 10 crore is equals to the value of 100 million. The value of crore is equals to the value of 10 million and the value of 10 lakhs equals to the value of million. And the value of lakhs equals to the value of 100,000. That's the main difference between the Indian number system and the international number system. Let's take an example. Let's start. First we will understand this. Here the ones place of Indian number system and here international. Okay. The ones place is equals to the ones place of international number system. Tens place it equals to tens place of international number system. 100 place is equals to 100 place of international system. 1000 equals to 1000. The main difference 10,000 is equals to 10,000. But the main difference start from here. The lakhs equals to 100,000. Okay. And the 10 lakhs equals to million. Crore equals to 10 million. And 10 crore is equals to 100 million. Is that clear? The main difference is that in Indian number system there are 4 periods. Okay. But in first period we have 3 places. And in second period we have 2 places. Third period we have 2. And the last one, fourth period, has also 2 places. But in the international number system, first period has 3 places. Second period has also 3 places. And the third period has also 3 places. Okay. This is the basic difference between the Indian and the international number system. Okay. So for more clearance we will take an example. if we have a number 3 4 6 9 2, okay, we have to write this number into both the number system, Indian, international. Okay, 3 4 6 9 2, 3 4 6 9 2. First we will take an international number system. In this we will separate the periods by 3. 1, put comma, then in this number the first periods hold all 3 places and the second periods hold only 2 places. It means ones place and after that thousand place. Okay, so it means it is 34,692. Now we will consider same example in Indian number system. First we will separate the digit by commas. Okay, so we will put comma from moving right to left and consider the periods. First period holds 3 places. It means first period holds 3 places. It means put comma after 3 digits, 1 2 3. After that second period holds 2 places, 1 2 1 2. So it also thousand place and ones, thousand period, sorry, and ones period. So we will read as a 34,692. Both are same. Okay, because we are consider up to 1000 period. Only difference start from lakhs. Okay, so we'll take another example. Four nine six 7 3 8 4 2. Okay, in Indian number system and international number system. First we will take international number system. The number is 4967384 First we will put comma after every period. So in international number system there are three periods. Each period sets 3 places. 1 2 3, put comma here. 1 2 3, put comma here. This holds all places in ones period. This hold all places in thousand periods, and this hold 2 places in million period. Okay, it means 49,673,842. But in Indian number system we will take this number 673,842. First we will put comma after every period. In Indian number system the first period categorized into 3 places. So we will put comma here. After that 1000 divided into 2, 1 2. After that lakhs divided into 2. Is it okay? So number is in this form. How we will read is this period holds all the places. This period also hold all the places. This is ones period, thousand period, lakhs period. This also holds both, and this is last crore period. Okay, this holds only one place. It means 4 crore 96 lakhs 73,842. Okay, the value and the meaning is same, but the way of speaking and the way of putting comma is different in different number system, as Indian number system and international system. मीनिंग दोनों का सेम हुआ, ठीक है, बट लिखने का और बोलने का तरीका एक ही नंबर का अलग अलग हुआ. इंडियन नंबर सिस्टम में हम इसे कैसे प्रोनाउंस करेंगे? 96,73,842. But in international number system we will read as if 49,673,842. Is that clear? अगर आपको कोई डाउट हो, कोई क्वेरीज हो, तो आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. थैंक यू वेरी मच.